Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install IntelliJ IDEA on Windows 11. So at first, you have to download Java JDK. So make sure you have download Java JDK. Here you can see Java JDK 21. So maybe you can actually click directly here Java downloads or here. But currently Java JDK version is 25. And let me show you. Here you can see 25. If you want to download JDK 21, you can click here, and then the latest version, then you can click here, JDK 25. Then go for the Windows option here, you can see, and then download the second one, installer, okay? So just click here, and it will be actually start downloading. I already download this, so let's just install it in our PC. Go to the download folder, and here you can see I got JDK 25. So double click on it, hit yes. Now go for the next, and here you can see install successfully. Now close it. Now we have to set the environment variable. To set environment variable, you have to go and type here env, and here you can see edit the system variable. Just open it. Go for the environment variables, then go for the path under system variable. Click here edit, and here we have to add it. Now to find the location, we have to actually go for the program files in our installation drive. So I have already installed it in C drive. If you install it in D drive or some other drive, you have to go there. Then just go to the installation drive, and then here you will find program files like this. Double click on it, and then here you can see Java. Just click here, double click, and then here you can see JDK 25. Double click on it and go for the bin. Double click on it. And now you have to copy the whole path from the address bar. Here you can see, just copy it and go for the environment variable. Click here new and Ctrl+V from your keyboard. So it will actually add here. Then OK, and OK. Now we have set up the environment variable. Now we have to download IntelliJ IDEA. So we have to search here IntelliJ IDEA. And here you can see first link. Just click here download. And it will actually directly take you to the download page. Here you can see. Go with the .exe version. .exe windows, just click here download, and it will actually start downloading. I already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it once again. Let me show you the installation process. Go to the download folder, and here you can see we got IDEA, okay, IU. So just double click on it. Now hit yes, and here you can see now select here next, then click here install, okay, IDEA A, then create. We just have to actually say here .java, okay, and add bin folder to the path, update path variable, okay. So just click here, then click here next, then go for the installation. So guys, here you can see we have installed it successfully. Now click here finish, and then just check it, run IntelliJ IDEA. So just check it and then click here finish, and it will be actually open. Now go for the customize, and here you can see you can actually change the theme from here. Any theme you select, it will be changed. Then we have language, then region, then ID font. So I want to actually set it to 18, okay. At least 16 would be good, okay. Yes. Then now key map, fine, everything is all right here. Now project, create here new, and let's name it test yamin. And now here you can see we have to select the JDK. So here you can see it automatically select JDK 25, then program files, then Java, then JDK 25, okay. So you don't need to actually select anything. It automatically select. Then everything is add here. Then location. Now let's change the location. So where you actually want to do, keep all the file. Let's say, let's go for the downloads for now, and here we'll say test yummy. Select the folder. So now location is here and everything is all right. Now create it. Here you can see main.java. We have to wait for some time because it's taking too much time. Here you can see, okay, done. Now we got our first program here. Select here, got it. So main.java. Now let's say I want to create here a new class. So in the source we have main.java. Now here I want to create new file. So I'll select here plus icon, then Java class, then class, and I will name it as, let's say, test yamin. Hit enter, and here you can see test yamin Java. So this is the class pasted here, public class. So let's change the class name to test. So actually we added the class, right? So we don't need this. Let's just remove it. You have to just keep the function only. Fine. Now it will actually show us hello world. Okay. We'll say here hello yamin, let's say. Save it, run it. And here you can see the output hello yummy. I hope you understand. If this video is helpful for you, please make sure to give a like and subscribe this channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching.